Hi guys, welcome to Tech Helpline channel. In this video we're gonna learn how to add a photo on BeReal. So there is two ways to add a photo on BeReal. One is changing profile picture and another way is posting a BeReal post. I have already made a video on how to change profile picture. You can watch that video in the channel. But now we're gonna learn how to post a BeReal. So first step would be open your app, type on take your BeReal. After that, camera will appear. You have to shoot photo to post. So I'm just gonna shoot a random photo. Press on the big circle in bottom middle to shoot a picture. After that, press send button and it's posted on BeReal. So this is how you post a photo on BeReal or add a photo on BeReal. Hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.